A rock just lit up a light bulb. It sounds like a trick. It isn't. In a dark lab, a handful of muddy sediment, a tiny patch of ocean floor, and a single LED began to glow, powered not by wires, not by batteries, but by living microbes crawling through rock. Scientists first stumbled on this while poking at stubbornly alive mud. They expected chemistry. Instead, they found something that behaved like a buried electrical grid. Long chains of bacteria, invisible to the naked eye, aligned end to end and shuttled electrons across centimeters of sediment. That distance is an eternity for single-celled life. Think of them as microscopic electricians. They build conductive filaments that act like wires. One species, nicknamed cable bacteria, literally connects oxygen at the water's surface to sulfide deep below, creating a current that runs through the ground. The current is measurable. It changes the chemistry of sediments. It even eats away at metal faster than engineers expected. Then came the demonstration you won't forget. Researchers wrapped an electrode in mud alive with these microbes, connected it to an LED, and watched the light come on. Not much power, not yet a city, but a proof. Life can harvest electrons directly from rocks and move them like currency. Other microbes take this further. Some geobacter species grow protein nanowires that conduct electricity. Some organisms don't rely on sunlight at all. They steal electrons straight from minerals to build biomass. They are electrolithiotrophs, organisms that turn inorganic electricity into life. That's the surprise. Life's toolbox is broader than photosynthesis and eating sugars. Electricity is a fuel. Rocks become batteries. Sediment becomes circuitry. The implications escalate fast. Imagine mining biocurrents to power remote sensors. Imagine coating ship hulls to avoid microbial corrosion that eats metal from within. Imagine constructing living batteries that mend themselves because the microbes keep the current flowing. Now imagine these microbes beneath the surface of Mars or under the ice of Europa. No sunlight but plenty of rock. If microbes can make a planet hum with tiny currents here on Earth, they could do the same elsewhere. The search for life has often looked for water and chemistry. Maybe we should also listen for a subtle hum in the ground. This rewires how we see the planet. The Earth is not just rock and water. It's a planet-wide, invisible electrical network stitched together by tiny organisms, quietly moving electrons across the crust. Next time you think of power, picture the ocean floor. Picture microbes wiring the world. If that blew your mind, hit like and follow for more impossible nature that proves the universe is smarter than we thought.